Today I'm going to teach you the intro guitar parts to Angela Aguilar's version of La Llorona. The first chord is a G minor. So starting from the low E string, 3rd fret, 5th fret, 5th fret, 3rd fret, 3rd fret, 3rd fret. The next chord is a C minor 7, starting from the A string, 3rd fret, 5th fret, 3rd fret again, which is barred by the 1st finger, 4th fret of your B string. And if that's too difficult, you can put your pinky down on the 5th fret of G and make it a normal C minor so you don't have to bar anything. You go back to G minor, and then we're going to play G minor / B flat, 5th fret of the D. My first finger is on the 3rd fret of the G and the B. And in the bass, the 6th fret of the low E. That's the B flat note. The next chord is D7 / A. Here's our D7 chord. Starting from the A string, it's 5th fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, 3rd fret. D7 / A is 5th fret with our ring finger of the low E. That's D7 / A. Then we play regular D7. The next part is just like we played before. The next chord is going to be a C, I think it's suspended, C minor 7, suspended 2nd, A string, 3rd fret, D string, 5th fret, 3rd fret, 3rd fret, G and B string. The next chord is an F major. We're barring all of the 1st, 3rd fret of the A, the 3rd fret of the D, and the 2nd fret of the G. We're going to mostly be playing 3rd fret of D, 2nd fret of G, 1st fret of B, barring still the low F, skip a string, and then 3, 2, 1. That's the F chord in this part. The next chord, it's the same shape, but we just move our 1st finger down, 1st fret of A. That makes it like a B flat major 7, sus2 again, or a add 9. Starting from the A string, we have 1st fret, 3rd fret, 2nd fret, and 1st fret again. The chord after that is E flat major 7 with our pinky on the A string, 6th fret, ring finger on the D string, 5th fret, 1st finger G in the B strings, 3rd fret. That's our E flat major 7. The next chord is D7. Same D7 we went over earlier. Now that we have the chord shapes, I'm going to teach you how we play that with the bass notes on the E and the A string. G minor, the low E, and then we skip a string and we're going to play the D, G, and B. Then we're going to play the 5th fret of the A string and go back to the low E. Then when we move to the C minor 7, we're going to play the A string, 3rd fret, and go down to the 3rd fret of the E, and back to the 3rd fret of A. The 3rd chord, G minor, and then we move to G minor / B flat, also known as G minor with B flat in the bass, 5th fret of D, and then 3rd fret of G, 3rd fret of B. On the low E string, 3rd fret. Then our pinky is going to move to the 6th fret of our low E. And then when we play the next chord, which is D7/A, ring finger on the low E string, 5th fret. And then we move it to the A string, 5th fret. So that's the first part of the intro. The second part, we're using that same G minor shape. And then the A string, 3rd fret. Moving to the F. Playing the 1st fret and then the skip a string just like before. And we're moving to 1st fret of A string. Playing the same shape. E flat major 7, and move that pinky to the 6th fret of the low E, back to the E flat, and then D7, and we do that whole thing again. Hold out the D7 again, and the final chords for the intro are G minor 7 to D minor 7. I'll show you how to play those. G minor 7, we're starting on the low E 3rd fret, then you skip a string, 3rd fret of D, 3rd fret of G, and 3rd fret of B. So we basically skip the A string. That's G minor 7. Then D minor 7, the open D, 2nd fret of G, and 1st fret of the B and E strings. Or if that bar is too difficult, you can use 1st and 2nd finger on the 1st frets. That's your D minor 7. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if this video was helpful.